Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your NTT Docomo device hassle-free. Whether you're a current contract holder or you've got a second-hand device, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, if you're a current contract holder with NTT Docomo, you can unlock your device for free through the My Docomo online portal. Just log in, navigate to the SIM unlock section and follow the on-screen instructions. Simple, right? Alternatively, you can visit a Docomo shop in Japan. Just be aware there might be a fee of 3,000 yen. Make sure you have your device, personal ID and Docomo account credentials handy. Now for those with second-hand devices, you'll need to visit a Docomo shop too. Ensure 101 days have passed since the original purchase and the device is fully paid off. Don't forget your IMEI number. You can find it by dialing *#06# on your device. Once you're at the shop, the staff will guide you through the unlock process, easy peasy. But what if you can't visit a shop or don't meet the requirements? Third-party services like Unlock Locks and Direct Unlocks are your friends. Just provide your IMEI number and they'll handle the rest. Remember, use reputable services to avoid scams. A quick tip, some devices might need a screen lock and passkey setup before unlocking. Check out Reddit for detailed instructions on that. Lastly, be cautious with turbo SIM adapters. They can bypass SIM locks but might cause device instability. Not really worth the hassle in my opinion. And there you have it. Unlocking your NTT Docomo device doesn't have to be a headache. Thanks for watching and happy unlocking.